విదేశాల్లో చదవాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే విదేశ్ కన్సల్ట్ ని సంప్రదించండి.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. I'm Dr. Tejaswini, Junior Resident from Department of
The most natural actors, there are very few. I think ma'am Jai Sudha ma'am, I think we are really a fan of yours and we are so glad to have you today in our hospital to promote robotic surgery. Thank you ma'am. And along with this we have of course the chances. I would actually give, I want to say you all convey today that I'm so thankful to be associated with you and you all associated with us, and the way we are raising the hospital year by year, month by month is absolutely amazing. So thank you to the entire team. So first North Hyderabad, yes of course it's the first robotic equipment. There are many in the other side of the city, but area robotic equipment was lacking and we are the first to start in this North Hyderabad and we feel so proud and we so special. And in the robotic surgery is highly advanced. When we were planning to buy it, whatever we buy we will see to it that it is used for plus 10 to 15 years down the lane. So it should be highly advanced. So it is just a beginning because I think robotics are not only just in knee replacements or in other surgeries too. So our aim is to get robotic surgery in every department is our entire goal in coming 1 year. So this is, I hope I fulfill this, and not only just orthopedic surgeons, we make all the surgeons happy, right? So the way ma'am makes acting easy on the screen, robotics make surgery easy in the operation theatre, right? So this is a comparison I could give my best. So there is many more, and yes of course Malari Vishwavidyapeeth are deemed to be university. We just got this university, we got to stay this 15 days back. It's an absolute proud moment for of course the dynamic leadership of Sri Malari Garu. Adevidanga my husband Dr. Bhadrareddy Garu, the chairman of LCT and Vishwavidyapeeth, and myself, like we all have been working for this. And finally the goal is reached, but after Vishwavidyapeeth it's something which we started new. So what's the best part? How I can relate robotics to Vishwavidyapeeth is we have a course. Everyone is talking about deemed university status. Yes, of course. But let me tell you, it's a deemed university in distinct category. So distinct category means introduction of new, innovative, emerging courses in our education system. Introducing artificial intelligence, that is AI, into education and so on, like AI into healthcare. As we can see, this is a perfect example of artificial intelligence and machine learning in healthcare, and many more to come. Our hospital is, we are giving an advanced technology, but with an absolute affordable and an acceptable price for the patients. That is what we believe in. There might be other hospitals, another city where they can have an advanced technology, but giving it in an affordable way, in an affordable cost price, is what makes us absolutely special. So quality healthcare with not getting over and above the cost from your not being too expensive is the entire idea, and I think we are the unique that makes us stand very, very unique. So this entire credit goes to the team, to the